Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how you can check your transactions using the Barclays mobile app. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Barclays app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, tap on your balance displayed under your name on the home screen. After tapping on your balance, you'll see your available balance at the top. And just below that, a list of your recent transactions. If you are looking for a specific transaction, you can use the search bar. To view more details, simply tap on a transaction. You'll then see information like the date, time, reference number, and the balance after the transaction. If you need assistance with any transaction, just tap the question mark icon and you'll be directed to a help page or have the option to connect with live support. And that's it. That's how easy it is to check your transaction on the Barclays app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.